This is a forms data format file. It contains the answers you typed into a PDF form, but not the form itself. You need the original PDF to make sense of this data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's merge them. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful FDF file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. An FDF file is a forms data format file used by Adobe Acrobat. It contains data extracted from a PDF form, allowing the form's information to be easily transferred and imported into other PDF documents or databases. FDF files are smaller than the original PDF as they only store the form data, not the entire document structure. FDF files adhere to a specific structure defined by Adobe. They contain field names and corresponding values, which are used to populate the fields in the associated PDF form. The file format is designed for efficient data exchange and is often used in automated workflows for processing large volumes of form data. Security features can be implemented to protect the data within the FDF file. We suggest testing the FDF file first with the utility Adobe Acrobat DC from Adobe Systems Incorporated. The file's loose formatting rules mean Windows cannot validate its structure. Windows offers basic viewing capabilities, while full functionality depends on a proper document editor. We'll conduct a full system compatibility scan now. Right-click your FDF file and select Open with Test Adobe Acrobat DC if it appears. If it fails, select another application. This is a process of elimination. If your FDF file is not opening yet, that is normal. If you reach this stage, the problem is deep. We are going to perform 3 quick tests targeting the most common failure points. First, use Adobe Acrobat Reader. Open the file using Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Acrobat Reader, the required application for forms. Next, import into PDF. Open the associated PDF form, go to Tools, Forms, More Form Options, Import Data, and select the FDF file. Finally, check encoding. Open the FDF file in a text editor to check the header and ensure the encoding is correct. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the FDF name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you need a guaranteed fix, FileMagick is essential. Its feature set includes instantly viewing a file's content even when it's severely corrupted. Visit FileMagick.com for details. This solution comes directly from my professional file integrity workflow. Share this guide with a friend who needs the fix. And as always, please like and subscribe.